Is the house suddenly very cold? First, find the furnace's air filter. Don't call the repairman yet. This might save you a few $100. A very dirty air filter restricts airflow and will trip the high limit switch, thus shutting off the furnace. You might still hear the fan running, but there's no heat. Let's open up the furnace to visually check if the fan is turning and if there's a flame. No flame? Let's shut off the power and gas to the furnace. There are two potential problems. First, a dirty air filter restricts airflow, causing the system to overheat, so we need to remove the high limit switch. There are two screws that holds the switch. After removing the switch, use a multimeter to do a resistance test. If the switch is not functioning, the resistance reading will be double digits. If you don't have a multimeter, you can still proceed to the next step. Use the handle of a screwdriver to tap on the circular part of the switch. Tap it kind of hard, but don't damage it. Now, you can run the resistance test again. The reading should be single digit. It's time to reinstall the switch. Next, leave the dirty air filter out of the furnace and turn on the power and gas to the unit. The flame should reignite momentarily, and if you have reached this step, the unit should be producing heat to the whole house. If not, and you do not see flames, then your igniter will need to be replaced. See the next segment on replacing the igniter. It is possible that you have to replace the high limit switch if tapping on it did not reset it.